Dear students, it is the third video of the week second Pakistan studies, and this time we are going to have a discussion about the Indus Plain. In the previous discussion, we explored about the plateau, Potwar Plateau and the Balochistan Plateau and the trades. The students, you know this, that Indus is one of the major rivers flowing in this region, and the very name of India is named after Indus Plain. You also understand that all the ancient or the oldest civilization of the world, they flourished on the banks of the river. Therefore, the river Indus is one of the very important segment or stakeholder in our older history, civilization and human development, agriculture, and also the current agriculture and the economic setup. The Indus river system is the backbone of many operations here in Pakistan. Well, in the first video, I have explained that the Indus River borns in the Mansoor area in Himalaya, China, and then flows into the Indian occupied Kashmir, Ladakh region, enters into Pakistan in Skardu, and then travels in all the mountains and then flows into KPK and Punjab and Sindh. Thousands of the streams and short nalas and others flow into this, merge into this board of water, and then it becomes the mighty Indus River. The plains are called the flat area, leveled area, where the agriculture is possible, where the flow of water is easily maintainable, and where the people can develop roads and buildings and other infrastructure. Normally, the Indus Plain and its tributaries like Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Satluj, Beas, they make the lower portion of the Indus River. Entire Punjab is one of the basin, one of the fertile area is called plain of the Indus, and the upper region, which is connected with some region of Balochistan and the most of the Sindh. Upper Indus Plain, whole of Punjab, and the lower Indus Plain, whole of the Sindh. Clear? Next. Doabs. In Indus plain, we find doabs. What is a doab? Doab mean two and ab in waters. Mean a land between two rivers is called doab. Clear? It is a Urdu word or Persian word doab. Doab. Clear? A doab can be found at the influence of the two rivers, either land. Clear? This is doab. For example, you find this is river Sindh and this is the Jhelum river. This is called doab, land between the two rivers. This all the region is called doab. Fine. Between the river Jhelum and the river Sindh, there is a Sindh Sagar doab. Fine. Between river Chenab and Jhelum, it is called Chach doab. Chenab and Jhelum, it is called Chach doab. Between river Ravi and Chenab, it is called Rachna doab. And between river Satluj and Ravi, there is a Bari doab. Clear? This is called Bari doab. This is called Rachna doab, and this is called Chach doab. Fine. Doab means water. These doabs actually have a very great significance because these are the areas which are irrigated by the waters from the both sides. How all this came, there is a very interesting history. Till till 1880, these rivers would flow into their natural course, and this course was not as directed as we find today. English, Great Britain, the rulers of subcontinent, then English, they decided to develop the great canal system. First, what they did, number one, they observed these rivers and their flow. They changed the course of their flow, made headworks, and then they produced different canals, and these canals then uh, went deep into different regions. Clear? And new colonies were developed and much more. That's how this area, Punjab, Pakistani Punjab and Indian Punjab, they became very notable in the history of subcontinent, and they were the first main regions which gained the economic prosperity, and similar happened with the Sindh. You understood what Doab mean and why Doabs are important. They make our defense, from the defense point of view, they are very important because when there is any attack from these region to mainland, you find that how many rivers are there to clear. But now the flow of the rivers and the river beds are not that mighty as they used to be in the historical times. Anyway, should we move next? Importance of Doab, I have explained, but once again, the train is flat there, meaning Doab, the river which flows into the mountains in a narrow strip, they gain width. The canal water promotes and supports agriculture. Mean here it is possible to construct canals. Urban settlement can be done without hassle. Urban settlement mean the population can build their homes, colonies, and much more. Links air, rails, and road development, just all because of the land. Plains, factories, and industrial estates are established. Business, markets, and storage of the raw materials of the agriculture are provided. I think Students, it's enough to understand that what are the plains. Indus Plain actually are the regions divided between Punjab, Sindh, and a little portion of the KPK. This is called the plains of the Indus. They are highly significant from agriculture point of view. Also, they the life in these regions are wonderful. Fine. Thank you very much